What's up, guys? It's your girl Foodie Judy, and today I have Culver's. You already know. Guys, I am so excited to try Culver's. Everyone talks about their cheese curds. Dipped it in some ranch. Definitely cheesy. I feel like it's supposed to be more stringy and pulley. I have to say, everybody that was working there was super, super nice to me. Some ranch. I give their crinkle fries a 10 out of 10. I got a butter burger deluxe with everything loaded up. Look at that cheese. Here we go. So good. Culver's definitely puts love in their food. These are their new spicy crispy chicken sandwich. They have a bunch of different chicken sandwiches, but I chose spicy. Take a bite. There's a little bit of redness color in it, and it definitely has a little bit of a kick. And if you don't like spicy, then I wouldn't recommend it. But if you like a little spice, this is like a mild to a medium spice, and it's really delicious. It's not overpowering, but if you really don't like spice, then don't do it. But if you could handle a little bit of heat, this is just perfect. Me personally, I really, really love spicy foods. But, you know, for someone who doesn't, this is perfect. Now, if I had to rate anything of the best, I would definitely say the butter burger, 100%. This butter burger is delicious. So good. My husband can enjoy those leftovers.